Good morning, children. This is Shival speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter 10, exercise 10, and we are over with question number 6, in which I explained about divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4. 5 is also done, children. So, right now, we are going to start to know whether a number is divisible by 10, 8, 9, and 11 or not. So, children, as I told it earlier also that these concepts belong to the mathematics of class 6, but here it's given in class 5 only. So, we will understand it very nicely, children. So, then let me write some numbers given in the book. 85, next is 840, next is 9000 and 5. Next number is 18,760. Okay, children. Now the question is that these numbers are divisible by 10 or not. Okay, children. Children, let us know the rule or divisibility rule of 10. When a number has got last digit 0, when a number has got last digit 0, that number is surely divisible by 10. I repeat, when a number has got last digit 0, then the number is surely divisible by 10. So here one number is, first number is 85. 85's last digit is 5. So it is not divisible by 10. Means 85 cannot be divided by 10. Okay, children. The next number is 840. So 840 has got last digit 0. Last digit is 0. So naturally the number 840 is surely divisible by 10. Okay, children. Now, next number is 9005. So, in 9005, the last digit is 5. So, children, the number 9005 cannot be divided by 10. Next number is 18,760. The last digit is 0. So, children, this number is surely divisible by 10, because last digit is having 0. So it's a rule of division, divisibility test, you can say, for number 10. Now, children, let us understand the divisibility rule of 8. Let me write the numbers before, children. First number is 96. Next number is 726. Next number is 9824. Next number is 76,504. Okay, these numbers are divisible by 8 or not. Children, the rules of checking whether a number is divisible by 8 or not, we have to check it out in this way. If the last three digit of a number is divisible by 8, then the number is surely divisible by 8. The entire number or the whole number itself is divisible by 8. So here, children, the number is 96. The first number which could be seen on my screen, that is 96. So 96 itself is a 2-digit number. So naturally we have to divide it, and we have to check it out whether it's divisible or not. So if I divide 96 in rough, so we could say that 8 ones are 8, 1 9, 16, 8 twos are 16. Yes, children, it is divisible by 8. So 8 12s are 96. So as it was only 2 digits number, so there is nothing to check as such. Let's try out the next number whether it's divisible by 8 or not. As I told, children, the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So the number itself is having 3 digit over here. So there is no way out. We'll just divide it in rough in order to check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. 8 9s are 72. Okay, children, what comes? 6 comes around. 6 is the remainder. So like or we could have taken 90 also, like so it's 6 is coming as a remainder, so naturally this number is not divisible by 8. Okay, children, now let's try it out with let us implement this number with the next whole number, that is 9824. So children, the last three digit is 824. 824 is surely divisible by 8. Yes, 8 ones are 8. Then what comes down? This 2 and 4 will come down. 3 8s are 24. Yes, it is divisible by 8. So it's going by 8. Let's try the next number, children. The next number is very simple. That is 76,504. So the process of checking is last three digits 504. Okay, so 504 is divisible by 8, because 8 like 6 8s are 48, 49, 52, 3 is a 24. 863 is a 504. It is divisible by 8. So naturally the entire number 76,504 is divisible by 8. That's correct, children. So let us now try out with the next number, that is divisibility test of 9. So let me give you a hint, children. Let me tell you the formula. If a number like having, suppose the digits are, sums are 56, next is 108, the next is 2372. Okay, next number is 15,606. So children, these numbers, just like 3, we will add up the digits. We will just add up the digits. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then it is surely divisible by 9. The entire number is surely divisible by 9. So here we can see 108. 8 plus 1, the sum is coming 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So naturally 108 is surely divisible by 9. Let us check out with the 15,606. So 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 0 plus 6. Let's see what comes. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. The sum is coming 18. So children, 18 is divisible by 9. So naturally 15,606 is also divisible by 9. So I hope it's clear to everybody. Please try out these things on your copy, and please do submit this work in the Google Classroom. If you have got any doubts or confusions, please children feel free to speak to me. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.